दुनिया भर के सबसे गर्म और सूखे हैबिटेट्स और भी एक्सट्रीम होते जा रहे हैं, लेकिन यहां रहती हैं कुछ ऐसी प्रजातियां जो इन कठिन परिस्थितियों को हर दिन मात देती हैं। Imagine surviving in a place where the sun beats down relentlessly, where every drop of water is precious. These are the challenges faced by the incredible creatures of our planet's most hostile environments. आज हम आपको ले चैलेंज एक ऐसे सफर पर जहां हम दिखेंगे कैसे ये जानवर और पौधे जिंदा रहने की लड़ाई लड़ते हैं। We'll journey to the heart of scorching deserts. We'll witness firsthand the incredible adaptations that allow animals to thrive in these unforgiving landscapes. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, we'll uncover the secrets of their survival. Yahai hostile planet, get ready to be amazed by the resilience of life in the face of extraordinary challenges. This is a story of survival against all odds, a testament to the power of nature's ingenuity. So buckle up and prepare to be blown away by the sheer determination of life on this hostile planet. जहां टेम्परेचर 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस से भी ऊपर चला जाए, वहां जीवन संभव कैसे है? Picture this. You're standing in a landscape that seems to stretch endlessly before you. The sun, a blazing inferno in the sky, bakes the earth beneath your feet. The air is thick and heavy, a furnace blast against your skin. This is no ordinary heat. It's a force of nature capable of melting plastic and turning sand into glass. Extreme heat सिर्फ एक challenge नहीं है। यह एक ऐसी कसौटी है जो सिर्फ सबसे ताकतवर और समय के साथ बदलने वाले प्राणी ही पार कर पाते हैं। Animals, sculpted by millennia of evolution, have developed astonishing adaptations to conquer this fiery realm. Their bodies, honed by generations of natural selection, have become masters of water conservation. Some creatures, like the elusive desert fox, have evolved oversized ears that act like radiators, dissipating heat and keeping their core temperatures in check. Others, like the sidewinder snake, have mastered the art of desert locomotion, their bodies moving in a mesmerizing sidewinding motion that minimizes contact with the scorching sand. The fight for survival in this extreme environment is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. It's a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, life finds a way. Choti si sharirik racha, lekin jinka bada junun. Yeh hai fennec fox. Imagine a creature no bigger than a house cat, with fur the color of desert sand and ears so large they seem almost comical. This is the fennec fox, a master of desert survival. Its diminutive size belies its incredible resilience. Its body perfectly adapted to thrive in this unforgiving environment. इसके बड़े-बड़े कान सिर्फ सुनने के लिए नहीं, बल्कि शरीर की गर्मी को बाहर निकलने के लिए भी होते हैं. Those enormous ears, far from being just for show, are key to the fennec fox's survival. They act like heat radiators, allowing excess body heat to dissipate into the surrounding air. रात को शिकार पर निकलता है, ताकि दिन की extreme गर्मी से बच सके. The fennec fox is a creature of the night, emerging from its burrow as the desert cools to hunt for insects, rodents, and even the occasional bird. Its large ears, incredibly sensitive to the slightest sound, help it locate prey even in the pitch black. By minimizing the amount of its body in contact with the hot sand, the sidewinder snake avoids overheating. It's a simple yet brilliant solution to a significant challenge, a testament to the power of natural selection. Chapter 3. Zameen se jeetne wal, jahan har boond pani कीमती है, wahan cactus jaise पौधे अपनी अलग technique se survive karte hain. The desert, with its relentless sun and scarce rainfall, might seem like an unlikely place for plants to thrive. Yet even here, life finds a way. Cacti, those iconic symbols of the desert, stand as testaments to the ingenuity of plant life. Inke pate bade aur hair bhale hi na ho, lekin inki moti tane andar pani ka bhandar rakhti hain. Their thick fleshy stems, often armed with spines or thorns, serve as reservoirs, storing precious water for times of drought. Their leaves, reduced to spines in many species, minimize water loss through transpiration. और ये काते, ये सिर्फ रक्षा के लिए नहीं, बल्कि हवा से नमी खींचने के काम भी आते हैं. Those spines, while offering protection from herbivores, also serve another crucial purpose. They trap moisture from the air, channeling tiny droplets of condensation down towards the plant's roots. By understanding and appreciating the resilience of desert plants, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Chapter 4. Gami ko harane wale, Registan ka raja Oont. The camel, often called the ship of the desert, is an icon of survival in arid landscapes. Its hump, far from being filled with water as many believe, is actually a storehouse of fat. This fat provides the camel with energy and helps to insulate it from the heat. इसका कुबाद सिर्फ एक अलग डिजाइन नहीं है, यह फैट स्टोर करता है, जिससे यह कई दिन तक बिना खाए पिए सर्वाइव कर सकता है. This remarkable adaptation allows camels to go for days or even weeks without food or water, essential for surviving in a land where resources are scarce. और जब पानी मिलता है, तो एक बार में 100 लीटर तक पी सकता है. When a camel does find water, it can drink astonishing amounts, replenishing its reserves in a matter of minutes. Their ability to rehydrate so quickly is crucial for survival in the desert, where water sources can be few and far between. Kangaroo rats feed primarily on seeds, which contain small amounts of moisture. Their bodies are incredibly efficient at extracting water from their food, and they produce very concentrated urine to minimize water loss. The adaptations of the camel and the kangaroo rat, while vastly different, highlight the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the remarkable ways in which animals have evolved to thrive in even the most challenging environments. Chapter 5. आने वाला काल. मगर ये hostile planet और भी hostile होता जा रहा है. The desert, for all its harsh beauty, is a fragile ecosystem. And today, it faces a growing threat: climate change. Rising temperatures, shifting rainfall patterns, and more frequent droughts are putting increasing pressure on the plants and animals that call the desert home. Climate change in Mahan survivors ko bhi nai chunautiyan de raha hai. Species that have evolved over millennia to survive in this extreme environment are now being pushed to their limits. The delicate balance of life in the desert is being disrupted, and the consequences could be devastating. Agar humne apne environment ka dhyan nahi rakha, to shayad ye prajatiyan bhi hamesha ke liye kho jayengi. If we don't act now to address climate change, we risk losing not only the incredible biodiversity of the desert, but also the vital ecosystem services it provides. The desertification of land, already a major problem in many parts of the world, is likely to worsen, leading to food insecurity, water scarcity, and increased conflict over resources. The fate of the desert and the countless species that depend on it is in our hands. Outro. हॉस्टाइल प्लैनेट जिंदगी की जंग. ये दुनिया एक अनोखी जगह है, एक हॉस्टाइल प्लैनेट जो जिंदगी के नए नए तरीके ढूंढता रहता है. From the scorching sands of the desert to the frozen wastelands of the Arctic, life on Earth never ceases to amaze. In the face of adversity, nature's creativity knows no bounds. The stories we've shared today are just a glimpse into the incredible resilience of life on this hostile planet. अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आई हो, तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. If you've been inspired by the incredible creatures and their stories of survival, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. और हाँ, नेशनल जियोग्राफिक का हॉस्टाइल प्लैनेट जरूर दिखाएं, जहां और भी ज्यादा एक्साइटिंग कहानियां आपका इंतजार कर रही हैं. And for an even deeper dive into the world of extreme environments, be sure to check out National Geographic's Hostile Planet. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.